Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be doing a tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I'll just be showing you how in this specific video I'll be showing you how to just make I think it's a trigger event, so the game knows when you walk somewhere, for example, what to do. So I'll just go into the blueprint I made, or the level I made last video. So yeah. Can I rename it? No, I can't. Okay. So yeah, I'll just I'll be creating just showing you how to do this. Yeah, it's opening. So I'll be back when it's done. Okay, now that you're in your project, see, last video I made a simple little thing with Lefty where he spawns some skulls at a random interval or a random float from 5 to 10 seconds. Then you have to pick them all up, and then it repeats again. That took way too long. As you can see, the last video length was an hour. It's an hour long. So yeah, I'm just going to expand on this level. As you would have seen that old tutorial, it showed you the overlap event, but I want to show you how to do it like without all this mumbo jumbo. So I'm just gonna nah, it's all good. I won't create a new level because I don't know why would I, but I will make a little thing over here. This is going to be a pretty simple tutorial, I'm not gonna lie. So we'll just put like a little I was teaching Shadow of Light Unreal Engines, that's why it's named that. I'll just get like another Lefty, I guess, I don't know. Or I could import a different model. I'll just get a different model. So just go to what you want overlapped, or just have like in just a box. You don't need to do this if you don't want to overlap with anything really. So other animatronics, Nightmare Foxy, I guess. Yep. Hurry up. No. Need Nightmare Foxy. Don't worry about the textures. There. We'll see. My DPI has gone down. Don't know why. That's not right. That's good. Alright. Now, please delete. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Textures. Need to import Foxy's textures. No. My computer's being slow for some reason. Here we are. I don't know it has any, doesn't have any ambient occlusion, roughness, and metallic in it, but that's beyond me with this. When you download models, I think people just add what they want, just add anything to it. So, no offense, but like, it can be a little bit weird how they make their, or like, use their textures. Now I'm just going to pose Foxy, give him a mesh, and then put him into a blueprint so we can overlap him, give him an overlap event. I usually make my Foxy like this. Like this. just give his hook over there, give him that hook, and then give him the thingies, the normal thingies. I don't really care how he looks right now because that's not important. I'm just creating this mesh because, well, just for example purposes. This isn't necessarily a fast freeze tutorial, so I'm a fast freeze person. So I won't tag this fast Freddy's just so more people can see it. Yes. Ooh, I got something on my toe. It's a prickle. Okay. Make status mesh. Oh, I said that very wrong. Content, Foxy pose. Foxy pose. Done. Save. And then we'll go to create an actor with Foxy. Foxy underscore BP. Then we'll give him a size when we're ready. I'll just place him down so we can size this big boy. Okay, let's give him 0.02, I guess. Sounds like a respectable. No, 0.01. Perfect. Now open. You don't need to do BP, you can do character if you want an AI like this. This model is super detailed. Okay. Now you need to create a box collision, I guess. So just make this guy 0.01. I should not have made him that size out here, so now he'll be incredibly small. So just put 1, and then we'll give him some. This box collision isn't for like giving Foxy collision. No, he already has collision. But this box is for something beyond me. Box collision. Yeah, there we go. So this is the box you're going to overlap to trigger the event. I know there's other things that might be a little bit more tidy or something, I don't know. But this is what I use because it's the simplest, it's the easiest, it's gotten me through development. So what you want to do is you want to click on it and then scroll down to on actor begin overlap. This is very important. You don't just want to do overlap, begin overlap. Actor event, yeah, you don't want to do that because it can get annoying. So you want to cast to your character. You just want to get its name. So my character's name is Horror Engine Character. Cast to Horror Engine Character. Then there we go, that tells us if the character overlaps, if the specific character, which is the Horror Engine character, overlaps with the box, it will do something. I'm just going to give this guy collision. And then so if you find your collision being, he only has simple collision. You want to set this, if your character doesn't have any simple collision, I'd set it to use complex as simple. And I usually like to use complex because it's more detailed and it doesn't glitch out as much. So here we are, Foxy has collision. Perfect. Now we need to give him his events. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to import a sound or something. Just make a sound effects. Maybe a crate break. Then what we're going to do, if we don't want to if we don't want the blueprint to happen over and over again, like twice at once or something like that. So you just walk into him, go away, then walk in again, over and over again, just so it spams. You want to create a boolean already active, and make sure it's a boolean, so a yes or no question. I know a problem I had starting out with Unreal Engine 4, I didn't know what any of this meant. So a boolean is basically a yes or no question. You can set to make it yes or no, and then have a question if or a branch connected to the boolean. A byte is something unknown. Integer is a number basically that you can reference to. It's closely linked with a boolean. A name is basically just something you type in. A string, I think that's just words you put into the console. A transform is a location. A vector is a value, like an acceleration value. If you're walking forward 1 kilometer an hour, your vector would be 1 or something like that. I don't know. So if, so it's easier to type if instead of branch. Get already active is false. So it's by default false. So the first time you overlap, it will be false. You set already active to true. That's just my Discord drawing. So it doesn't activate again. So if you overlap it again, it will check if it's false, but it's not, so it'll do nothing. It will set it to, it'll be true, so it'll do nothing. If it's false, it will set it to be true. And then it will do what it wants to do. So you want to play sound at location. What did I use? Create break. That's about a second long. So create, you can do anything you want here. You don't have to do play sound at location. And then you can do a delay. Do a delay 1 second or however long. And then set already active to false so you can activate it again. So if we overlap Foxy, as you see, it doesn't repeat over and over again. If we didn't have this if statement here, spammy. So yeah, if you had like a really long chain, you don't want it happening over and over again, or else it'll be very bad. And then another thing you might want to do is you want to cast to your character. I don't know, you've triggered maybe a level sequence. You want to cast your character to disable input so you can't be moving around while the sequence is playing. So what you're going to do is to type in disable input target. You want to get your character you casted to, put that into target, and then player controller is get player controller. And then after 1 second, you can enable input, or however long your sequence is, or you can just get path, no, not get path length, or just however you get your sequence length, I forget. And then we'll make it like 3 seconds so it's noticeable. And then enable input. Target. So there you go. I can't move. 3 seconds, I can move. 1 second, I can't move. So yeah, that's how you cast and enable an event with Unreal Engine with an overlap box or a blueprint or a character. The same process with any of these blueprints here. You can do the same with a character, an actor. I think that's about it. I don't know about pawn. I don't think so. And then, yeah. Let me know what you want to see in the next tutorial. I guess. I don't know. I'm just going to build the level here. So yeah, just tell you what you want to see in the next tutorial. I'll be down to do it. It's like I can't do anything, obviously, because I'm not incredibly skilled, but I know enough. I know enough to create a game, like a full-fledged game. So, yeah. Glow stick. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.